Hello my friends, Halloween greetings once again. I got another little video to share with you, another little vintage Halloween piece. Today, it's another, well, it's not really an animatronic, but it is motion activated, and it's got lights and sound. The spooky cat. Let me show you guys. The black cat with light and sound. I believe this is 1996, so let's get the box. You can see it. You can see you got that spooky cat, and you got the leaves around on the ground, and you got the moon, and you've got the tree. So it looks like a really nice spooky Halloween scene. Black cat with lights and sound. And what happens is that actually his eyes light up. I'll show you guys the top of the box. And it sounds like I kept the batteries in the box. It's been a while since we used him. I've got like a special Halloween box where the stuff was all packed. And it's been a while since we used it. The kids used to get a kick out of this one because it was a little spooky, because every time the clouds would pass in front of the sun, it would set the cat off. So we'd be in a room with the kids, and all of a sudden you could hear a cat going off in the other room, and the kids would be like, but it was pretty cool. It was funny because they didn't understand it was just the clouds going in front of the sun, and when the light dims in front of the sensor, it would activate it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the date. You can see 1996. Wow, it doesn't seem that long ago that we got it. Gimme Industries. Actual item may vary slightly from photograph. This item is not a toy and should be used for decoration only. Manufacturing number 94016. Black cat with light and sound. DC. Manufactured in China. D&S&A Incorporated. Farmington Hills, Michigan. Get the instructions. Requires 3 AA batteries, not included. Battery compartment is located under the base. Simply open the battery compartment and insert batteries as shown in the illustration. Turn the switch to light only, and the cat's eyes will light up and flash. Turn the switch to light and sound. The cat's eyes will light up and flash, as well as the screech. Turn switch to off when not in use. Replace batteries when light dims or sound becomes distorted. This cat has flashing eyes and a scary screech that will haunt your house this Halloween season. Better beware, you are in for a scare. And this is from the Halloween Factory. So, let's show you the other side. Basically, both sides are the same. The top, and there's nothing on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and we'll take them out of the box. All right. And remember, we had gotten an NHD. I don't know if there are any of those left in the country, but the one where we got it closed a long time ago. Let's go ahead. We're going to open the box. I'm going to take him out. And the batteries are pretty much, it's not a good thing. I don't know if you can see in the box, but it's pretty deteriorated, so we're not even gonna try to use those. You can see the cat. Luckily he was in a bag, so there'll be no damage from those loose batteries. You can see the way he's looking. Pretty scary. Alright, when you open them or you put them over, you can see the on and off switch. Push down on the little door, and And you can see where the batteries are going to go in. And we have the AA batteries. We got 3 of them. And you push the door in, push it back up, and it clicks into place. You see the speaker is right there, and let's put him on. You can see his eyes light up. That's pretty cool. And if we push it on again for the sound, he's going to hiss and growl at you. We think. You can see the sensor in his mouth. And when you want to have just the eyes activate, you can put it on the first position. I don't know if he wants to light up. These batteries are kind of old. I like that. That's pretty cool. Halloween cat. So what do you guys think? You like it better with just the eyes lighting? Or do you like it when he's growling and screeching at you? You gonna come on? The little sensor is in his mouth. Oh, now, you want to activate? There we go. Let me take the camera off and show you guys what he looks like up close. I'm sorry about that. Her nacelles, the Beside collectors, are pretty loud. Let's see. You can see he's got his back arched. He's got a pretty meaty tail. That, my friends, is from 1996. Black cat with light and sound. He's getting ready to scratch you. So my friends, I hope you like this short video on another little kind of vintage Halloween piece. And we'll show you another thing pretty soon.